Welcome back, witches, warlocks, and wizards. Today we're going to be doing a good luck with the law spell. This is to give the target favorable rulings and good luck in court so that they get their desired outcomes. I always keep the rambling and informational bits till the end, so if you want to know when to use this spell, what it's good for, then stick around for the end of the video. But in the meantime, let's get to it. Here's what you're going to need. You're going to need either a tea light candle or a chime candle. In this case, I'm going to show you how to use both. You're also going to need a petition paper. You're going to need good luck with the law powder and good luck oil or crown of success oil. Please buy your court case powder and your crown of success oil from a trusted source. The first step is to write the name of the target into the candle. I'm writing it clockwise for tea light candles. And for chime candles, I'm writing it from the bottom up to bring the energies in. A lot of traditions will do top down to bring in energies, but I like to stick with Eastern traditions and practices because they're a lot more powerful and get better results. So I like to go from the bottom up. So I ask that you please get good luck with the law powder and crown of success oil from a trusted source because you don't have room to experiment when it comes to court cases. You're basically dealing with your own fate or other people's fate. For luck with the law powder, check out genepool22.com, and for crown of success oil, you can reach out to me for a custom order. Now it's time to grab your petition paper. So make this really simple and just write down your intended outcomes and desires. So you're going to write in terms of I have and I receive. Here's what I wrote on the petition. I wrote that full name only receives favorable rulings in court on February 8th, 2021. Initials, legal fees are issued to all be paid by the opposing team. The opposing team's motion to dismiss initials case is immediately denied, so it is. Everybody's case is different, so please don't copy this unless it applies to you. Now we're going to rub crown of success oil onto the candles, again from bottom up and rubbing in a clockwise motion for the tea light. And now it's time to cover the candles in court case powder. As you'll see for the tea light candle, I'll rub the powder in clockwise to bring in the energies, and for the chime candle, I'll be rolling it towards me. And there you have it, 2 candles ready for this spell. I recently made a custom court case candle and burned it in this pan for my current client that I'm working on in this video. So I'm going to reuse the pan, and then I'm going to put the petition paper under the pan and burn the candle on top of it. Here's where you're going to light your candles with intention and then set your petition aside. I like to set mine under the plate so that the candles can burn on top of the petition. But make sure that your petition is in a spot that's easily pulled out because we're not done yet. Now that the candles are all lit, you're not just done yet. It's not that easy. It's never that easy, right? So you're going to read off of your petition. You can do this 3 times. You can do it 1 time as long as you do it with conviction and do it very powerfully. There's other prayers that I'm going to list right here that you can use for court cases and you can use to chant over your candle. And these would be Psalm 5, Psalm 35, Psalm 27, verses 1 through 2, and Psalm 24, verses 1 through 2. So now I'm taking my candle outside to finish the last step of the spell, which is to burn the petition in the candle flame and let the ashes fall onto the candles to continue burning until it burns out completely. I do this spell outside because when I burn papers inside the house, they can set off the fire alarms. Let the candle burn down, and there you have it, a finished and completed court case spell. For court case spells, I always recommend starting as early as possible to get the best results. Do this spell every night for 3 to 7 nights in a row before having to show up in court. You want to do this before every trial, every hearing, every appearance, every meeting. If you don't have white candles, you can use blue, and if you need more energy, then use 3 candles instead of 1. If you're going to use 3 candles, set them up in a triangle and stick with using 3 candles. If you're going to use 3 candles, stick with using 3 candles every time you do this spell. If you don't, it's fine, but it works better that way. Court case spells are really serious, and if you're dealing with something really serious, I recommend reaching out to a professional as soon as possible. You can reach out to me. I've dealt with multiple court case spells. Otherwise, do the spell as often as you can and then recite literally every single one of the prayers that I listed in order to amplify the spell and get you where you need to be. You can recite those chants every day, every night, whether you're doing this spell or not. And if you're looking for powerful, surefire candles and spells, check out lblackeuphoria.com for their success in court candle, because I've used that candle for court cases and it has been amazing. I've also recommended it to others. And on genepool22.com, I have a law stay away candle. Preventing legal issues is a lot better than having to deal with them. So I do recommend burning the law stay away candles every few months. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what else you guys want to see, and thank you so much for your support.